Hello everyone, welcome back to EV Future Tech. This is the one of the most luxurious and futuristic electric MPVs in the market today, blending bold design, cutting edge technology, stylish 20-inch alloy wheels with a unique Starlight pattern, wrapped in Michelin Pilot Sport EV tires. This vehicle makes a strong presence on the road with its massive dimensions, over 5 meters long, more than 2 meters wide, and a wheelbase that gives in limousine-like proportions. The aerodynamic styling with a drag coefficient of just 0.27. The hidden A-pillars, the full-length LED light bows, and the intelligent illuminated front grille all contributed to its commanding and futuristic look. Not only enhanced road presence but also underline the blend of elegance and sportiness. It's an amazing, stylish electric vehicle, Zeekr 009. Moving inside, the interior of the 009 feels like stepping into a high-class lounge. The dashboard is minimalist yet highly functional, built around a large 15.4-inch central OLED touchscreen and a 10.2-inch digital driver display. Everything is powered by the fast Snapdragon 8155 processor, ensuring smooth navigation through menus and apps. The intelligence and safety, night and day, the 009 is equipped with advanced driver assistance system, adaptive cruise control, lane centering, auto lane change, collision mitigation, blind spot assist, cameras and sensors, multiple HD cameras, a transparent chassis 360-degree view, rear view camera that acts as a digital mirror, and OT updates high voltage fast charging 800 volt system, and sustained performance keep the 009 technically futures ready. So these are all the features of infotainment. It's an amazing digital instrument panel paired with 15.4-inch central LCD touchscreen, both powered by high-performance Qualcomm Snapdragon 8155. So cameras, parking cameras, interior seats, the seats are another highlight of the Zeekr 009. Depending on the version, it can be configured with 4, 6 or 7 seats. The flagship Grand version offers just 4 ultra luxurious seats with massage, ventilation, heating, and reclining launcher functions combined with foldable tables and even a fragrance system. In the 6-seater Platinum Dream, the second row captain's chairs feature Napa leather, headrest, speakers, memory functions, and extendable leg rests, making long drives as relaxing as sitting in a private jet. Even the front seats are fully power adjustable with heating, ventilation and massage options, ensuring every passenger enjoys maximum comfort. This is the automatic door. The boot and storage capacity. The trunk offers 376 liters of cargo space, which can expand massively to 2,979 liters when the third row is folded down. It's an amazing look. The rear styling keeps its quasi-luxury feel with wraparound tail lights and a commanding windscreen, plus additional optional features like electric curtains, ambient lighting, and a mini in-car refrigerator, adding to the feel. So overall, the Zeekr 009 is not just a vehicle; it's a statement of what the future of electric luxury mobility looks like. From its elegant Starlight wheels to its intelligent lighting, from the lounge-like cabin with advanced infotainment to the first-class seating comfort, and from its massive boot space to its futuristic driver assistance, every aspect of this car is designed to deliver a world-class experience. It is more than an MPV. It is a ruling luxury straight powered by clean energy. It is the perfect for families, executives, or anyone who desires the ultimate in comfort and technology. Large power sliding doors, and the second row first class seats offer unrivaled comfort with integrated headrest speakers and tables, turning the back cabin into a lounge. The quality of design, amazing stylish Zeekr 009. So its Zeekr 009 is not just an electric MPV, it's a symbol of the future of luxury mobility. It combines breathtaking exterior styling, intelligent technology, and an interior that feels more like a private jet cabin than a car, with its spacious design, advanced infotainment, launch class seating. The car is designed for those who demand comfort, technology, and elegance in every journey. The Zeekr 009 is more than transportation, it is a new definition of a luxury on wheels. Thanks for watching this video.